something for Thabang.
Message is never stop doing what you're doing. Never stop. Never stop.
Different perspective. You really leave here this workshop and read and really you know what to do.
Couples, those who are married, those who are in complicated situations, and those who are single as well. I loved the particular focus on how do you build from personality traits. How do you look at a certain person that can help you as a couple? How do you compete to be the greatest?
Okay, I'm not gonna. No, don't touch me, but touch me.
Just, yeah.
She will say, leave me alone, but me, don't go.
Very nice, very fruitful. I learned a lot. I'm walking away with a sound knowledge, profound advice, and yeah, I could say that I took away quite a lot of principles and values, which I look forward to implementing in my own relationship. And yeah, I guess I could say that I also learned a lot about myself as well. I learned a lot about my partner. And yeah, I also learned that there's different ways to make a relationship work.
You always speak
sweet words.
Thabang, great job. We can't wait for many more to come in future.
Next.
Oh, it's with it.